Hi everybody, Andy here with etrailer.com, and today we're going to take a brief look at this ARC lighting wiring harness with switch. Now this dual output wiring harness makes installing your light pods and bars easier. As you can see here, we have two triple sealed Deutsch DT connectors. They're going to plug into the lights and support up to 90 watts per side with 180 watts maximum. Now I did pull from our warehouse one of ARC's concept LED pod auxiliary high beam lights, and I just wanted to show you how easy this connects. So taking one of these Deutsch connectors here, you can see these connectors match right up, and if you push in firmly, you can hear that click. And so that is going to be secured in there. And so that's how simple this is. And then to release it, you just push the release button here. And then that's going to unlock that connector and you'll be able to unplug it from the light. So this wiring harness includes a single rocker switch that will illuminate when your lights are turned on. And then you get an HID relay, and then you have the lead wire here with the fuse and ring terminals. Of course, your red wire will be power and your black wire will be ground. That's going to conclude our brief look today. I do hope that it was helpful for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.